Morning guys, magpapares tayo. Sarado yung kakainan natin pares. So dito tayo ngayon.
Did you know that 24 degrees Celsius is generally considered a comfortable temperature for...
So yun guys, okay naman. Kaso walang laman eh. Halos walang laman. Hanap tayo ng mag-food trip pa. Mahal kita. Wala nang iba. Bitin yung pares. Bumili tayo manok. Serve na. Siyempre, panulak, papel, I don't know.